welcome back to EZRA ONDARA TV. Na leo is house tour day. Now today I want to give you the ideal customer experience. Alright, mimi nilikuwa shughuli yangu ya kufanya house hunting hapa na pale. Then I met this client, alright, is a customer. Nikamwambia actually in the field. So maybe tunaweza enda uone hata hii yenye naenda kuona. Alright, ni kadhaa, but this is the second, sindio?
Yeah, this is the second house.
Yeah, this is the second house. Tumetoka, there is another one that I did in Langalanga, a one bedroom, a very spacious one bedroom. Tumetoka hapo, now we are here, all right? So now we want to get the ideal customer experience. Now, maybe before tuendelee, wacha introduce aseme nani, si ndio? Aya, waambie jina lako ndo wajue.
Okay, hello, my name is Julie. Yeah.
Julie, we are inside the sitting room of this one bedroom hapa. Tuko Mwariki C. All right, we are in Mwariki C, and this entire apartment is full of one bedroom houses. Sawa. Now, Julie, haya, hii sitting room inakutosha?
Yeah, inanitosha. Considering I'm the only one going to live here, inanitosha. Yeah.
Yeah. So hapa, what will you do? 3-seater, 2-seater maybe?
3-seater to 2-seater is okay.
Then hapa katikati now you can have your coffee table, labda, si ndio?
Coffee table, your mat, then your TV area. Yeah.
The beauty of it again yati hapa hivi there is Wi-Fi, all right? The apartment is Wi-Fi ready na kila nyumba iko na router, all right? This router ambayo unaona hapa, every house iko na router.
Yeah, it's a good deal considering that you have to pay for Wi-Fi, I don't know, 3,000 to 5,000. Yeah. That is a cut. You're nayo utakuwa, it will be a very good deal for you. Yeah, so that is one plus, all right, ya kuishi hapa hivi for 8,000 Kenya shillings na umekewa internet already. I think it is a huge advantage, all right? So especially if you are a kind of person ambaye una work from home, maybe you are a YouTuber like me na unajua sisi mazee internet is part and parcel of our business. This thing hapa hivi it's a plus. And again, I like the way kuna natural light or oneni, all right, coming in, all right? And it's actually in the other rooms as well. When I went around at first, niliona there is plenty of natural light coming inside the house. Up to that point, let's go to the let's check out the kitchen. Very well, we are inside the kitchen. Julie, kitchen unaonaje, inakutosha? Yeah, inanitosha. It's a good space for one person. We have a space enough for food prep, nini, osha vyombo. Yeah, it's okay. But one thing is, this is a no for me. Yeah. Steel doors is a no. I wouldn't go for steel doors kwa cabinets. I'd rather, it should have been wood. Yeah. I think that is the only thing that is not okay with me. Okay. Yeah.
Sawa. So here, by the way, these are shelves, all right, hapa juu, and they are steel, all right, they are made of steel. And to be noticed, hapa hivi kila mlango, even the doors, even this door ya jikoni, it's steel. Iyo mlango ya kutoka sitting room is steel, the main door is steel, so all the doors here, they are steel, all right? And our wardrobes, not the wardrobes rather, but the shelves, it is just these ones here, hii pande hakuna, but I think for one person, it's really enough. The countertop space pale for one is okay. Easy man steel door. Okay, there are kuna storage hapa chini, all right? Plenty of storage, but except maybe for the steel doors. Lakini let's not rule them out kabisa kwa sababu remember kwa hii dunia kila mtu akona different taste and preferences, unaona. So the one that built this apartment, yeye labda preference yake is all about steel, and I'm sure even from the video there are those who won't really mind the steel doors. It's just that we have been used to the others, sindio? Just that we have been used to the shelves za mbao, milango ya mbao. So today I think hata mimi mwenyewe actually this one is new to me. Twende tuangalie bedroom. Very well, tuko kwa bedroom. Hapo utaka bed size gani? Kwanza, do you know sizes za bed? Naweza kuwa nakuuliza na hata ujui vitu kama hizo.
Yeah, najua. Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Hapo utaka bed size gani kwa hii bedroom?
Okay, for me, I'd say I'll go for a 4x6 or 3x6 because of the space. We don't really have much space here. Now, and I can see it's just a small space. Yeah, so I wouldn't go for 5x6 or 6x6.
So for her it's small, alright, lakini kumbuka huku nje kila mtu ako in different stages za house hunting. Kuna wale wanataka 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom. Even some customers tell me, Ezra, I'm looking for a 5 bedroom. Alright, so kuna ule mtu mwenye, let's say if you are this kind of person ambaye maybe you just got your first job, unaona, and you're looking for a place to stay, unaona, ama you're just one person, maybe uko shule mahali, this bedroom inakutosha. Alright, manake, okay, the way we count the nini to measure to measure the size of bed ambayo inaweza ingia hapa, we count the tiles, and these are 1 feet tiles. So these are 1 2 3 4 5 6, and even going the other side, 1 2 3 4 5. Actually folks, a 6x6 bed can fit in here, just that haitakuacha na room yako nini, si ndio?
You won't have any space left.
Yeah. A 5x6 bed will fit, lakini the door itakuacha tu space ya mlango peke yake na maybe some space hapa hivi kadogo. So even a 5x6 can fit here. Na iguze ukuta hapa. Unaona ile ya kuguza ukuta. So the ideal bed for me here is a 4x6. Alright, a 4x6 is perfect. Let me notice hakuna drawers.
Yeah, too bad there are no wardrobes. Na hiyo ndio one of the things mi naangalia because considering that hakuna space ya nguo, so I wouldn't have a space ya kuweka nguo zangu. That means it will take a whole space again ya kupanga. Tuseme you have suitcases, or again bringing up what do you call the walking mobile. Yeah, that will take a lot of space here. So I think only you should have suitcases so that you can have space.
Sawa, so kuja na suitcase. Hakuna wardrobes hapa. Nilisema drawers but ni wardrobes. Hakuna wardrobes. Wacha tuangalie loo, then there's a balcony, and then outside. Aya. Aya, niko kwa the toilet here. I think it's spacious for one.
Yeah, it's
Sindio? For one iko sawa. Lakini mkuja kuoga wawili, shauri yenu.
Mtajikuta.
Sindio? For one iko poa. The shower naona hapa, it's a hot shower. There's plenty of water. Alright. What else? Yeah. The washing area, maybe unaweza osha nguo zako hapa, unajisaidia na kule, si ndio? Hebu tuone hii balcony kwa hapo nje kama ndo wanaanika nguo ama ni juu. Haya, tuko kwa balcony ya nyuma sasa. Na for me this is one thing pia nimependa kwa sababu it is quite a spacious place. Kuna balcony zingine ambazo ni konde na hata ni za 2 bedroom and water view, lakini ni ndogo kuliko hii. So for me hapa ni mahali moja ambapo nimependa. What do you say about?
Oh, I love it. I can say you really have good fresh air coming in. You can set up your space hapa hivi ya ku relax. It's just a good area. It's giving. Yeah.
And of course kutoka hapa you can see your surrounding namna hiyo. Uone mtu anapita huko, ukiambia mtu kuja hivi, panda bike, shuka pale nini, you can even see them as they are coming. Julie, hebu tuende huko mbele alafu we wind up. Okay, mimi napenda vile kuko clean actually. I don't know about you.
Yo, it's clean. I can say it's just clean. It's well maintained. Yeah, it's a plus for me. Yeah.
I mean, for an apartment ambayo iko na hizi nyumba zote actually na wanafanya usafi hivi, I think it looks like they do it each single day. From the look of things inaka wanafanya kila siku, na for it to be this clean, I think hii pia ni plus ingine. So nimewekea plus 4 sasa.
Yeah.
Zilikuwa 4.
Zilikuwa 3. Now it's 4. Yeah.
Now it's 4. And down there I can see if you have a car, there's plenty of parking space kule. Alright, kama uko na gari, parking huko chini naona iko kwa wingi, and that gate I see it is locked. Alright, the gate kule iko locked, so it also brings a sense of a sense of security.
Yeah, it's so secure. Mimi naona it's very secure.
Yeah.
Considering pia uko hapa juu, tambo mwizi akufikie.
Aya, now final words. You have any final words before I give my final words?
Okay, for me I'll say this is a good place. It's really good for me. I'd go for this. Ni those small things that I can't get here, but I can make myself comfortable. Yeah.
All right, so final words, folks. If you're looking for a house, all right, if you are a folks ambaye ndo unaanza maisha labda, all right, na unatafuta nyumba iko chini ya 10,000, wale wananiambia EZRA nitafutie 1 bedroom under 10,000, this is one of those 1 bedrooms, all right. Na usikuja na vitu mingi pale. Sitting room tumesema 3-seater, ukiweka L shape utafinya, lakini itafit tu na ka coffee table. Alright, pale jikoni si ati uko na vitu mingi pia. Kwa bedroom tumekuambia the size of bed to fit there. So if you are that customer in that, in that bracket, this is an ideal home for you. And don't forget, there is free internet. Alright, there is a router in each single house. So up to that point, the things that we did not like, alright, in this video now, let's say even the things we didn't like. One, it is the idea that there are no wardrobes in the bedroom. Alright, is there any other thing?
Yeah, steel doors.
Oh, and maybe the steel doors, but that one for me is a matter of preference actually. Unaona, kuna mtu hezi mind hiyo kitu. So let's just say the negative ni hapo, the lack of wardrobes in the bedroom. So come with your suitcases. Julie, see, let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Aya.